Hello friends, welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Here your friend Mr. Shapun Pal teach you how to draw a scenery. So, do you want to draw this one?
Yes.
Do you like to draw composition?
Yes.
So see, can you say what are they doing?
I don't know.
See, a lady with some goats. Okay,
Hmm.
can you draw this one?
Yes.
So at first you have to divide the page into 4 equal pieces.
Okay.
Then you have to draw the lady. Okay.
What is this?
This is a stick.
Mm,
Here also we have to draw 2 goats. Okay.
okay.
Can you draw the goats?
No.
See the process properly. Okay.
Okay.
So is this tough?
Yes.
Tough. Okay. Now you have to complete the tree.
I know.
You know. Okay. After completing this tree, we'll draw the background also.
The tree is very easy.
Yes. If you follow this video, then you can draw this one very easily. Okay.
Yes.
So now, here we will draw another girl. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Of our own.
yes. Tell me.
Of our own.
What?
The girl. The
Yes.
small girl.
Yes. Now we have to draw the background also. Okay.
Okay.
So, do you like this video?
Yes.
So, you don't forget to share this video.
Okay.
Also, if you need any help, you can contact with me.
Yes.
And if you want, you can color also. But here today we'll learn only drawing.
Okay.
And
Not color.
no, today we'll not learn color. And if you want, you can start the color any medium.
Okay. I will give a big thumbs up.
Yes. Thank you.
Welcome.